Hey everyone, Greg from CARiD.com and welcome back to the shop. And in today's video, I've got an all-new lift kit with me for one of the most popular new body style pickups on the road. It's built and designed by the team that focuses all of their efforts on anything and everything related to off-road performance. And this right here is ProComps' all-new 6-inch lift kit for the 2019 and up Ram 1500 trucks. This kit is designed to fit all 2019 Ram 1500 four-wheel drive trucks equipped with the standard coil spring suspension. It is not designed to fit the CARiD setup or the Rebel submodel. Now, if you're a die-hard Ram guy, you're probably confused because the truck behind me is in fact a Rebel, and yes, we were able to install this ProComp kit on it with some additional modifications. To find out how, stay tuned for a follow-up video, but for now, let's focus on this all-new lift kit from ProComp. Alright guys, so here it is. This is ProComp's all-new 6-inch lift kit for the 2019 and up Ram 1500 four-wheel drive trucks. This kit from ProComp is going to be all new, and it's designed to not only fit the new Ram 1500, but they also revised some of the design. Now to start, ProComp designed these all-new steering knuckles, and these heavy-duty cast iron steering knuckles are going to be much lighter than the previous model knuckles, and they're still able to take a serious beating off-road. Now they were also designed to improve the actual steering geometry in the front end, and a byproduct of this design is a drastically improved turning radius compared to the previous Ram kits. ProComp also made some additional improvements for the rear suspension on the new Ram. Now they wanted to ensure that a Ram owner would obviously still be able to lift their truck, but they also didn't want the factory load carrying capacity to be affected. So they designed rear geometry correction brackets and coil spring spacers, which work perfectly in conjunction with the Ram's new 5-link rear suspension. So not only will this kit improve your truck's off-road capabilities, but it's still going to have a nice and tame factory ride on the street. Alright, so now that you have a better idea of how your truck's going to handle, look, and drive after installing this kit, let's go ahead and see what they include with it. And as you can see from the workbench that I have in front of me, ProComp gives you absolutely everything that you need to get this bolted up. From those heavy-duty cast iron steering knuckles that I did mention earlier, to these welded steel front and rear cross members, differential drop brackets, front strut spacers, and even a new set of extended rear shocks. Everything you need is included, even all of the hardware to get this installed on your new Ram. Now it's also worth noting that once you get all of this installed, ProComp does state that you can easily fit up to a 37-inch tire. That's a massive set of rubber for only a 6-inch kit. Now speaking of the install, I want to be upfront with you guys. If you are tackling this yourself, get ready for a hell of a lot of work. Now to get this kit installed, you're going to need to disassemble the entire suspension front and rear. And that's going to mean removing the front braking systems, steering knuckles, front struts, and even dropping the entire front diff out of the truck. And once all that is out, you can start installing all of your new parts from your kit, like your new diff drop brackets, front and rear cross members, new steering knuckles, and strut spacers. Guys, it's a lot of work, but it is still totally doable in your own garage with the help from a buddy. And trust me, the end result is going to be well worth the effort. Well everyone, that's going to wrap up my review today of ProComp's all-new 6-inch lift kit for the 2019 and up Ram 1500 trucks. So if you just recently picked yourself up a brand new Ram and you're ready to give it some serious upgrade in styling and off-road performance and capabilities, head over to CARiD.com right now to check out this all-new 6-inch lift kit from ProComp. And as always, I'm Greg from CARiD.com, and I will see you guys next time.